Hi guys, welcome to this short video about Multcloud, a really interesting solution for easy cloud transfer, cloud sync, cloud backup. Everything what you have on the cloud can be much easier with this solution. It's an online solution. You don't have to download anything. By the way, I'm disclosing here my full relation with this company. They gave me a free account and asked me to make a video about this Multcloud. And first I was thinking, okay, sounds nice, but why would I need something like that? And when I started thinking about the problems which I had with my cloud drives, then I realized that they have some really nice solutions which had helped me in the past a lot. I have already bought some cloud storage, and in a sudden they went out of business, so I had to download everything and upload on a new cloud system, and this took me weeks because the download was so slow. That was absolutely crazy. I wasted so much time. So I really figured, yeah, okay, this could be an awesome thing, but also I thought, yeah, this would be probably too difficult to use. And so I was saying to me, okay, let's give it 10 minutes, look into that. And if I don't get how this works, then I'm not going to do the video. And I opened the website and looked into that, clicked a little bit around and figured actually that it is super easy, at least for the things which I'm going to use. And so I started to look a little bit deeper into that. I mean, not super deep into that, but I just wanted to show you a couple of things how you could use this website. By the way, there's an option to start for free with 5 gigabytes per month. Of course, that's not a lot, but you could run a couple of tests with some small files and see how this goes. If you decide to use it more, of course, then there are some larger options with 1.2 terabytes, 2.4 terabytes with some yearly payments. But what they have currently, they have this 70% summer sale with a lifetime unlimited for $189. So maybe something to think about doing that now, but let's go back to the solution itself. So they have actually two websites. They have the new one, which you find here. Usually when you log in, you go automatically to the new site, but they have also the classic website. When you click down here, you get back to the classic website. And the big advantage of the classic website is that you have this Cloud Explorer. So you will see all the clouds which you have already connected, and you will see also how much space you have already used. Here for the Google Drive, I have used nothing, and here on Mega, I have used 1.1 gigabytes of my 20 gigabytes which I have available. That's the biggest advantage as I can see. Of course, the whole website is a little bit easier, but of course, that's also because it has much less functions. So the new version has many more functions. So the only advantage which I see of the old one is this Cloud Explorer. So let's go back to the new version. And of course, how we start is to add a cloud. I have already added 2, but let's add one more. And you can see most of the really well-known cloud services are here. Of course, there are a couple of which are not included, but they are still working on that. What I found, the TeraBox is not here, and also DGU, but DGU, I guess they are going out of business pretty soon. So the only thing missing maybe is TeraBox. But you can see there's almost everything here from Google, Microsoft OneDrive, Dropbox, iCloud, Mega. You can even add your own FTP. Then pCloud, very famous one from Switzerland, Flickr. I mean, I'm not a cloud specialist, so I don't know all of them, but as far as I can see, there is almost everything which I've heard about and I've been using so far, so that's absolutely awesome. So what I'm adding here is the pCloud. So we click on that, and then you can do your normal login, for example, with email or with your Apple ID, Facebook ID, or Google ID. By the way, they are of course not storing your credentials here. So in case something happens, nobody will have access to your cloud services. They are using some standard connectivity service in the background, so you don't have to be worried. This is something which all the clouds are using as a standard. So I've added my credentials here, and so they give me some information saying that Multcloud app wants to have access to your pCloud account. pCloud access, we get full access to all files and folders. Please ensure that you trust this app before proceeding, and then you can allow, and then it just takes 2 or 3 seconds and you will have full access to your files and folders. And so I have everything now here on the same page. I have my Google Drive, I have my mega files, and now I have my pCloud files. Full access at the same time to all these 3 cloud services. Of course, we cannot share the things now like with drag and drop. Maybe that will work at some point. But the functions which we have here is everything on top, like cloud transfer, team transfer, cloud sync, cloud backup, remote upload, shares, email migration. So let's do a quick test here, cloud transfer. And so you have a from and a to. You click on the from. So I click here on Mega. You can see I can drill down here easily, very fast. And I select this folder to be transferred. I say, okay, I choose the destination on the right side. Let's go with the Google Drive. I think there is nothing here. So I select the drive on its own, click on OK, click on transfer now. And it has created now a task list. You can see it is transferring now. So I do this in real time. You can see how fast or slow it is. And it's actually not slow, it's rather fast. You can see already the success. You have even some options here on the side which shows logs, options, schedule, delete. By the way, that's also something which you have here. You can also see that everything has been working. Yeah, when you do something like a cloud transfer, the same thing which I have done, you can tell that you don't want to do that immediately, but you can actually schedule this for daily, weekly, monthly, for example, or just let it run at a specific time. We even have more options. You can see very detailed options, even getting email notification when the task is completed, and add some filters. But now let's check on the drive. We have added now something to Google Drive which was empty. Let's see if it's there. Let's click here, double click, and we see these 3 files are there. Of course, it was saying 4 things. The first thing was, of course, to copy the folder. And we have already a couple of functions. When we click here, you can see we can download, share, cut, delete, preview, rename, copy, or we can go to the official site. By the way, we can also do that when we click here and say, okay, go to the original site. And then of course we have old functions from the original site. But I mean, we already have a preview for a lot of things. Okay, maybe not for this one, maybe for an MP3. Let's see. Yeah, okay, also didn't work. Yeah, maybe it would work for JPEG or so. I haven't found out for what it will work, but for transferring and keeping everything in sync, that's absolutely awesome and much easier than I was expecting. I've been really thinking, no, that's nothing for me. I'm just using this maybe every month, and until then I will have to learn everything from new. No, actually not. You can just log in here and everything is perfectly intuitive, nothing to learn. You just go here and do the cloud transfer or the sync or the backup, but usually it will be just the cloud transfer. You select what you want and where you want it and transfer it down, go to the task list and see what's going on and wait till it's happening. And it's working in the background, so you can even do it overnight. If you have a large amount of files, you can let it run in the background, go to sleep, wake up in the morning and everything is ready. This is so great. I mean, clouds are really nice, but we cannot really rely on one cloud. So it's always a good thing to have different cloud services with some backups. And this website now finally gives us the power to do this very easy. So I think definitely a reason to look into that, maybe sign up for free at the moment, or even take advantage of the lifetime unlimited, which is 70% off. And that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.